Gather around everyone because today we're embarking on a culinary adventure that'll make your taste buds sing with joy. We're diving into the realm of honey glazed ham, but not just any ham. This one is going to be sheer perfection. So fasten those apron strings and prepare for a mouth-watering journey. Let's kick things off with our star ingredient, an 8 to 10 pound fully cooked ham. No need for extra workouts here. This ham is already in prime condition, just waiting to be elevated into a delectable masterpiece. First up, let's give our ham a little makeover. Picture it stepping onto the red carpet, and we're the expert stylists, tasked with enhancing its natural beauty. We'll score the surface in a diamond pattern about a 1/4 inch deep, adding a touch of texture and elegance. Now let's talk about the glaze. It's going to be nothing short of heavenly. In a small saucepan, we'll blend together brown sugar, honey, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, and ground cloves. It's a harmonious blend of sweet and tangy flavors that will set your taste buds alight. Once melted into a luscious concoction, we'll generously coat our ham with half of this divine glaze, ensuring every inch is bathed in flavor. Here's a little insider tip. We're adding a cup of water to the bottom of the roasting pan. Why, you ask? Think of it as a spa day for our ham, keeping it tender and succulent as it bakes to perfection. It's the secret ingredient for achieving ultimate juiciness and flavor. Now into the oven our ham goes, set at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius, for approximately an hour. But hold on, we're not done yet. Every 15-20 minutes we'll lovingly baste it with the remaining glaze and pan juices, because why settle for ordinary when we can have extraordinary? When the timer chimes and your kitchen is enveloped in the irresistible aroma of our masterpiece, don't rush to pull that beauty out just yet. We're going to give it a little extra love with the broiler. Crank that oven up to broil and let the ham sizzle for about 5 minutes. This step is like giving your ham a red carpet moment. We're going to let it bask in that intense heat, caramelizing the sugary glaze and giving it that irresistible charred, crispy look. It's like putting on the finishing touches of glamour before the big reveal. But don't get too distracted by the sizzle and pop. Keep an eye on it like a hawk. We don't want our masterpiece to go from fabulous to fabulously burnt. A few minutes under the broiler is all it takes to achieve that gorgeous caramelized crunch. Once it's reached that perfect level of broiled bliss, it's time to let our star rest for about 10 minutes. Trust me, this brief interlude is well worth it. It's like giving our ham a moment to savor its own deliciousness. And there you have it, honey glazed ham perfection, straight from the heart of Kelvin's kitchen. But wait, before you dash off, I've got a little joke to share. Why did the ham go to the gym? Because it wanted to get baked. For the complete written recipe, be sure to visit kelvinskitchen.com. Until next time, keep those aprons tied tight and those taste buds primed for more culinary delights.